Hello and welcome to the video guide for the Benchmark Consulting modelling tool. The modelling tool is designed to provide price list analysis in order to aid fast, efficient decision making. Sales professionals can use the modelling tool to provide price lists in real time during sales meetings, foregoing the need for several visits in order to close a negotiation. Alternatively, if you require a quick answer as to the impact of a change with regards to specification, number of colours, or any of the other variables relating to a unit price, the modelling section will display reports, comparing the original specification of the order versus the changes stipulated. To demonstrate this tool, firstly we need to log on to our secure user area via this link on the Benchmark Consulting homepage. Secondly, we need to select the Modelling tab from the options at the top of the screen. At this point, we have the option to select the quotation which the required product code resides within. To find out more about the importing of a quotation, please refer to the Estimating Tool video demonstration. Next, we select the specific design reference to work on. You can see here the order number and design reference are displayed. For this demonstration, we will use the first design reference 1234, then press select. You now have the option to select any of the tabs displayed on the submenu, which will display the relevant details regarding that order, relevant to the submenu heading. As we go through the screens, we will make a few amendments to demonstrate the system. The summary page displays the base data for the design reference. The more common width, cutoff, order quantity, etc. are displayed, each of which allows the option to change the unit of measure as shown on the drop-down menus. For order quantity, you can see the different metric and imperial units available. Similarly, for width and cutoff, you have the same option to select an imperial or metric unit. For this demonstration, we will leave them as they are. Also displayed are some of the specific functionality designed for the modelling tool, namely printing stage, whereby you can stipulate at which point the order is printed. For example, printing before lamination, or if you wanted to pre-laminate then print, then you can select after lamination pass 1. Further down, you have output units whereby the unit of measure you wish all results to be reported in can be stipulated. Let's make a change in the order quantity to 120,000 and leave the units in linear meters and press Save Changes. Moving now to the next submenu. In Machines, you can change the machine selection stipulated for the design reference. This can be for an individual machine or all machines used in the production process. For the example we are working with here, we have a 2-ply laminate requiring a process of print, laminate and slit. Hence we can see these machines displayed. You will see the option to turn on or off inline slitting or lamination, which can be stipulated if you have saved your machine on the system with this capability. For more information on how machines and other elements are saved on the system, please see the Estimating Tool video demonstration. Let's make a change in the print machine from the default machine to the long run default and once again press the Save Changes button. The following screen displays the materials used. As shown, the drop down allows for different material to be selected, and the data below allows for the thickness, cost and edge trim to be amended. If more materials were used, they would simply be displayed further down the page. The Inks and Adhesives screen displays all ink types used in the design reference and the associated percentage. And at the bottom, the adhesive selection. Each or all of these can be amended or deleted as required. You then have the packing and delivery elements of the design. This page allows you to change the core type, pallet type, delivery details and plate cylinder details. Similar to the previous screens, you either select a different item from the drop-down or amend the text in the box. And press the Save Changes button. Finally, we have the exchange rate screen. All elements which can be saved on the system must have a currency stipulated, for example, print machine, materials, and inks, etc. If the currency which the prices are requested in or output is different to the currency which, for example, the material is saved in, we of course need to convert the currency the material is saved to the currency which the prices are output. In this instance, you see the exchange rate name listed here and the associated exchange rate. These can be changed and amended via the drop-down lists and the text box shown here. Once all required changes have been made and saved, we then select the Validate and Run option. The page displayed here then confirms the changes you have made to the design reference, as it is saved in the system. As you have seen, we made changes to the order quantity and print machine type, so these are listed here. The confirmation of inline lamination and slitting as being N or no is due to this not being stipulated in the original quotation, hence the model defaults to no. At this stage, the model is also undergoing thousands of validation checks to ensure that the changes made are feasible, and the model has all the information required to produce the new price. As one example, if you remove or add links, then don't change the number of printing plates accordingly, the model will display an error and not allow the model to be run. Assuming you are happy that all changes made are accurate and any errors have been corrected, we can now press the Run Model button. The first table in the report shows a comparison between the values for the current specification and the associated order quantity, order value, unit price, and annual values, versus the implication as a result of the changes stipulated. The bottom two rows then express this difference, firstly in value terms, then as a percentage. The two pie charts below show a cost breakdown of the unit price. On the left for the current specification, and on the right the amendments stipulated. Further down, you then have a price list whereby the model has taken the order quantity stipulated and provided a range of quantities above and below, then populated the associated unit prices and order and annual value for each quantity break. This can then serve as a price list to be quoted to customers. Finally, you have a cost curve at the bottom of the page. This takes the price list and populates the unit price at the different quantity breaks, and once again compares the current specification and the implication of the amendments stipulated on the two curves. In this example, I have changed the printing press to 1, which is better suited to long runs. By increasing the quantity to 120,000 linear meters and changing to a long run machine, we can see it is more cost effective to run orders over 120,000 linear meters on the long run machine. You can see this with the red and blue curves here. This concludes the Benchmark Consulting video demonstration for the modelling tool. There are many more features programmed in the modelling tool. For more information, please contact Benchmark Consulting. Thank you for watching this video demonstration.